Okay, look guys, we seriously need to talk now. This is your wake-up call. This is your wake-up call. Everyone around you, if you start noticing, there's a lot of people getting sick out there. It's a lot of people going to doctors. There's a lot of people talking about allergies or how their body's not working. Just don't feel good, tired, have to drink our coffee to wake up. I'm going to tell you that's not normal. We're supposed to be healthy beings. We're supposed to be happy, loving life, full of energy. And you know what? You can't go to a doctor to get help. I know that's what you're taught. I would not advise you to get on medication. I know that's what you've been taught. You've been taught when you get sick, we go to the doctor and they help you, right? But in reality, they don't really help you unless, like doctors are good for if you break a leg or an arm and you need to get help in that way. But if you are depressed, don't feel good, you're going to go to the doctor and they can only do so much, and most likely they're just going to prescribe you a medicine. And how do I know this? Because I have, in the past, lived a life of going to the doctors. Over 15 years ago, I was so sick that I was going to the doctors all the time, and I got in so much medical debt. And one of the things that I was first diagnosed with was IC. And I remember going to the doctor, not being able to afford it because I didn't have insurance and having to pay over $100 for this doctor visit. And on top of it, it was painful. What they did was not fun. And all they did was give me medication. And then they wanted to set me up for this surgery or something to blow up my bladder wall to see if I actually had IC. They already said I probably have IC, but let's do another procedure to make sure you have it. Of course, I didn't have insurance, so it would have cost over $1,000. And at that time, I remember I just actually broke down and cried because I didn't have the money to do this, and I didn't do that surgery. Looking back, it was a blessing because I talked to other people that went through that surgery, and they basically do nothing for you. It's just yep, check mark, you have it. And then they basically put you on medication. And I was on that medication for about 6 months, and it cost $600 because I didn't have insurance. But thankfully, I went to Costco, and Costco helped me with it where I could actually make it affordable. Took it for 6 months, and yeah, it really did help the pain. I had pain from my waist down, constant throbbing, every minute of the day pain. And the medicine helped with that. I had some relief. But then when I was on the medicine, my stomach got so upset. It was so miserable. So then I didn't have to deal with the pain of the IC, but then I had to deal with the pain of being on medication. And it made me so incredibly sick. Then I was back to the doctors talking about how I was so sick. My stomach hurt all the time, didn't feel good, couldn't eat. And I even remember talking to my doctor, and I said, do you think it could be the medication that I'm on? And they said, no, it's not the medication you're on. It can't be that. Let's do some tests. And they wanted to do a test, where they put a camera up your behind, see what's going on in that stomach of yours. Yeah, I had another breakdown, and I was there that morning to do it, but I just had another breakdown because I am scared to death of doctors. I do not like them. They are, every time I go, it's pain, 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 and then here's the bill, more pain. So I just in general don't like doctors. And this is basically the start of my eating healthy journey. which was 15, 20 years ago. I'm telling you, you could go to the doctors, you could spend your money, you could get on medication if you want, but I feel like it's a system that's set up for failure. We've been taught to go to the doctor, get help, which all they do is give you medicine or do more procedures. Like, they really don't cure the problem. They don't take care of the problem. They just cover it up. And that's the system we're in. And I don't believe in that system. I don't like that system. I don't want to have to go to a doctor and depend on a doctor and spend my money on a doctor. So that's how I got into where I am now, eating healthy. I got into the raw food diet. I got into the medical medium diet the past 5 years ago and learned all about that. I surround myself with people that are on a healing diet, on a healthy diet, and people that have gotten real results by changing their food, by changing what they put in their mouth, by taking control of their own life. People that take care of their own life, take control over their own life instead of going to doctors and depending on someone else. These people are healing. These people have answers, solutions. And so have I. I've had huge steps in the right direction. I actually don't deal with IC anymore. I have no pain from my waist down. And those mental breakdowns that I used to have a long time ago, they've gotten better too. I've suffered from a lot of depression, anxiety, been diagnosed with PTSD and all that stuff. And I've been going to a therapist for many years, and I've tried medication for that stuff. And when it comes down to it, none of that helps me. In fact, I am so incredibly sensitive to medication that I can't take it. So I know that I can't depend on doctors. I've been going to them for a long time. And I know that the only way that I'm going to get better is if I take control of myself and control what goes in my mouth. Right now, I'm drinking a juice. This is how I start every single morning, with juices. This is my path. This is what is easy for me. You don't have to start your morning with juices. You can start your morning with fruit. But it is important that you know how to start your morning and what to be eating in the morning. That's why I did a free video course for you guys, so you guys could get all the information for free. Like, I worked really hard to put up this video course to give you guys all the information, and I will put the link in the description below. And I know that this is such an important thing to take control over your own health that I'm here to help you. I have lots of YouTube videos to help you. I have a Facebook group to help you. I have a free video course to help you. I'm trying to think of different ways to help you guys. I have my community you can join, and I have tons of videos, recipes, everything that you need there. Like, everything that I've created, I have a whole catalog in my course per se. But the biggest thing about when you join the membership is we are doing lives every other week, and that's where you can get on and talk to me. I would suggest you going through the free video course first, because that's basically the outline to everything. And then when you join the membership, you'll get everything you need on basically recipes and steps and protocols. And then basically every other week I will be there. I have office hours on Wednesdays for you to hop on a call and ask me questions. I would really like to have this as a support group for people that go through the class, learn what they need to do, take the power in their own hands, control in their own hands, take your healing in your own hands. You have to do it. If it's up to me, or I can't remember that saying, if it's meant to be, it's up to me. If it's meant to be, it's up to me. But I'm here to help you guys. And I am actually going to do another free thing for you guys for the people that are watching this video when it's first uploaded, I'm going to do a free class, and all you have to do is, of course, sign up for the free class and go through it, and then I will send you a link where we will do a Zoom call, and that will be completely free, and that will be on June 11th. So it'll be June 11th at 1 p.m. Eastern time, which is my time. And I'll also put I'll put that information in the links below, in the video below. But if you want to be on that free call and ask me questions, you need to go ahead and sign up and go through the video course, because normally I do these for my group and they're paid, but I'm going to do one for free to kind of help get my group going, basically, because I don't have a whole lot of members. And I figured since I have the time right now, then I could do a free call. If it's meant to be, it's up to me. It's not up to your doctors. It's not up to the pharmaceutical companies. They just want to make money off you. They don't want to help you heal. It's up to you. All right, guys, if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments and give me a like on this video. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.